Well, as far as news on the vaccine front is concerned, there's an interesting development that we're reporting on. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has been given a nod for phase 2 and phase 3 of clinical trials on the age group of 2 to 18-year-olds. This is a nod that they've got from the Drug Controllers Expert Panel. The Subject Expert Committee of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on Tuesday cleared the application for Bharat Biotech to conduct phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials to evaluate the safety and the immunogenicity of the Covaxin vaccine between children in the age group of 2 to 18. Arvind Gunasekar, reporting on these developments, joins us with the very latest. Arvind, this is good news. It is coming in for Covaxin. Phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials have been cleared between the age group of 2 to 18. What's the latest?
Yeah, Rishika, the Bharat Biotech had filed an application before the Central Drug Standard Control Organization for clearance for the phase 2 and phase 3 trials on children between the age group of 2 to 18 for their COVID vaccine, that is Covaxin. So the Subject Expert Committee, they had a meeting yesterday. In that particular meeting, what we are being told by our sources is that the Subject Expert Committee has recommended to give clearance for Bharat Biotech to go ahead with the phase 2 and phase 3 trials on children on their vaccine, COVID vaccine, that is Covaxin. So what we are being told is that almost around 500 to 600, between 500 to 600 participants will be roped in for this phase 2 and phase 3 trials. The only condition that has been put forward by the Subject Expert Committee is that after the phase 2 trial, the company has to submit the interim safety data, post which they can go ahead with the phase 3 trials also. So the phase 2 and phase 3 trials will be evaluated on the basis of safety and also efficacy data. So once the Bharat Biotech submits their final data before the Subject Expert Committee data is satisfactory, then the Subject Expert Committee will recommend for an emergency use authorization for the COVID vaccine, that is of Bharat Biotech Covaxin, for the children between the age group of 2 to 18. So once SEC gives a go ahead, then the Drugs Controller General of India will also give an emergency use authorization. So when we asked the source how long it will take for the entire process to get over, what we are being told is that it will take somewhere around 6 months for the entire process to get over. So once Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is cleared for the children between the age group of 2 to 18, that will be the first vaccine that will be cleared for children in India. Rishika?
All right. So the rough timeline at the moment is between 6 to 8 months, as Arvind is reporting. And if Covaxin is in fact cleared after the phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials, it would indeed be the first vaccine for children in India. Remember, the trial is broad-based. It's being conducted from the age group of 2 to 18. Appreciate you, Arvind, for joining us with the details of this story. We'll keep a close watch on those developments.